First things first.
Unfortunately, my new mic hasn't arrived yet, so please ignore the wind noise and it will improve next time as I've got a banging new mic coming. Plus, it only lasts for about 2 minutes, so after that, audio is sweet. Sorry about that, people.
I don't know if you can tell, but the camera quality has upgraded. We've got new equipment, we've got drones, we've got microphones, we've got gimbals. The quality is going through the roof. This is going to be like a Hollywood movie by the time I'm finished with this stuff. And I've got better news than that. I'm going to Dmaxx Barcelona. I'm going to Dmaxx Barcelona, baby! We're leaving London on the 11th of June. I'm driving from London to Paris, Paris to Lyon, Lyon to Monaco, and then Monaco to Barcelona for 2 nights in Barcelona. Party every night, driving in the day. And I've got something to tell you. I'm going to be taking the BMW M4 that you've seen I've been rebuilding on the channel at the moment, but with a twist. I'm giving you guys the opportunity to sponsor my car for £400 and get your brand printed on the side as big as you want, first come, first serve. And you're going to be featured in all of the Dmaxx movie videos. You're going to be featured in all of my videos, and I'm also going to give you a 20-second shout out on a video and advertise your brand for this one-off offer. £400, get on there, little bit of advertising, take part, people, and you know what, I'm going to donate £10 of every sponsorship to a charity of my choice. So you're not just helping yourselves by promoting your business, but you're also helping some of the less fortunate people out there. But with that, I'm also going to give my viewers the opportunity to decide what colours we get the car wrapped. So what I'm going to go for is I'm going to go for a split colour down the middle. One side of one colour, the other side another. My first thought was I was going to go grey on one side, pink on the other, and on the grey side have pink writing, and on the pink side have grey writing. That would look proper Larry, and with the silvery grey wheels on there at the moment, that would look fire. But it's down to you guys, so if you want to see yellow and brown, please don't choose it, but we'll have to do it. So top comment, not even top comment, just the most popular answer I see out there is what we're going to pick. But come on, we're going to Paris, we're going to Lyon, we're going to Monaco, we're going to Barcelona. I want to look fresh. I don't want to look like a donut. So please don't be sending me out in some jank coloured cars. So yeah, that's the big announcement. 11th of June is when we're leaving, and I am gassed. I don't know if you can tell by the way I'm talking on the video. You know what to do. Contact me on Instagram if you want to be part of it and you want to get the sponsorship out there. That's all you got to do. When I was actually working on the BMW the other day, I noticed that there was some more issues with it. One being that there is a crack in the exhaust manifold. So I'm going to flick back to some footage of yesterday now so you guys can see what the problem was. But before I go, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, put your post notifications on, because this channel is getting serious now. I'm not messing about anymore. I'm really not messing about anymore. I was going to get the drone out today and get some footage for you, but it seems like there's a tornado in Kent right now, not London. I'm in Kent today. I'm going to flip back yesterday so you can see some of the footage. So we're just trying to get the 4 finished and ready for Dmaxx. I'm leaving on the 11th of June, so I've got a tight schedule trying to get it wrapped, trying to get it remapped, and trying to get it fixed and painted all in time. I've only got about 6 weeks now. The current state of the car, we're still missing a headlight, and there's a few other bits that I've just been notified that I still need to order, which is a bit of a pain in the arse. If you look around here, the wings on it fits perfectly, everything else is in. All we're trying to do now is fit the bumper back together properly. It is a second-hand bumper, so it's got a few scuffs and cracks in it. I wasn't sure if that wasn't a competition bumper, but I've had a look online and it is a competition bumper, so that is all sweet. And then I just need to order a couple of the headlight washer jets as well, because I haven't got them. This is the plan. We've got it booked in to get it remapped on the 2nd of June at Road Rage. We're going to try and get it up to 550 horsepower. And then if I come around the back, I'm actually going to try and get a bigger spoiler to get a little bit more downforce when we're going through the lovely roads in Monaco. It's actually got that carbon lip on the back at the minute, which does look the bollocks. I'm definitely going to get the wing mirrors done black as well, because they just look like that. And then I'm not sure whether I'm going to get the wheels done black as well to match the wrap. As I said earlier in the video, you guys are going to decide the 2 colour schemes we use on the wrap for the tour. And if you do want to be featured on the wrap and you want your business on there, it's going to be £400, and I can get your logo printed anywhere on the car, anywhere you choose. Big letters on the side, you can have it on the bonnet, you can have it on the boot, anywhere you want. £400. Message me on Instagram, link in the description, and let me know. But I'm going to let these guys crack on with the repair, because I've got plenty of other stuff to crack on with today, and we'll come back later and see how they're getting on. I've just popped back round to the yard, and we can see that the BMW has the front bumper on, looking very nice. We're not going to put the arch lining in yet, because obviously the painter's going to have to take it off. But if you look up here, there's actually a crack in the exhaust manifold, right at the top. The crack is right at the top. I don't know if you can see. So yeah, that is the problem. So I'm gonna have to order a new manifold. Yeah, we'll drop it down now and I'll show you the bumper lined up. But I'm gonna have to order a new manifold and get that put on before the rally, obviously. But yeah, I'm gonna get that done after it's been painted so that the paint has time to gas before we wrap it. It's gonna be a proper long procedure getting this ready, but when it's ready, it's gonna look the bollocks. But yeah, look at that, that looks nice. We're gonna plastic weld these holes over because there's no parking sensors there. I don't know if I said that before. Just need to order the washer jets as well. And a headlight, I need a headlight, still need a headlight. Look at that. Wizardry. Looking perfect. So I'm gonna take it down to the paint shop this afternoon and we'll see what it's like to drive because I haven't even driven a car yet. So it's back together and have a look at that for yourselves. Bosh. Just really start to see the actual car now and see the shape coming together. Obviously we're missing that one more headlight, which is a little bit of a pain in the arse, but we'll get that down to Rick and he'll fit that in. So when I pick it up, it should be all sweet. Oh, look at the i8. That needs a clean. Look at the state of that. That is terrible. But anyway, this video is not about the i8. So I'm gonna drive this down there now. This is my first drive, so it'll be first impression. And yeah, let's see what Rick says. Obviously we've got to repair the door still. And there's a few other bits I want to do, get some bits blacked out ready for Dmaxx because I want this car looking naughty. The interior could do with a little bit of a clean actually though. It smells nice in here though. Let's start her up. Should we open the door while we start her up and see what it sounds like? Yeah. Not sounding very good. That little hole in the manifold, it's not a good sound. Alright, anyway, let's get cracking with the journey. I'm not really going to record much because it's illegal to record while I'm driving and various people have told me I need to stop, so that brings me back to today, where I actually just thought, you know what, it's Bank Holiday Monday, I'll take you guys on a little vlog. We went up to a few shops, got the camera, picked up some other bits, and yeah, just sort of had a little doss about, so I thought I'd get the camera out while we're at it, so enjoy the videos. Yes, my people, so it's Monday, it's Bank Holiday Monday today, and I'm going to take you on a little vlog with me. I'm actually upgrading all my camera equipment because we are so serious on this channel. Quality is just going to be through the roof now, so goodbye little handheld cameras. We've got gimbals, drones, 500 megapixels. Spent a few quid, reinvested in the channel, and today we're going to go and pick it up and I'll show you guys what we picked up. But yeah, say goodbye to the crackling noise, the shitty quality, and bosh. Levels to this. There's levels to this. And then I'm taking it above that, so hope you guys enjoy it. So we're off to Sainsbury's to collect, well not Sainsbury's, Argos to collect my drone and my camera bag. And then we're off to, is my car open? No. We're off to Blue Water to try and get the camera from John Lewis, because I tried to buy it twice from Argos yesterday, yeah? And both times I made the transaction, it got declined, but they took the money out my bank, so I spent basically 4 grand on cameras, and Argos took the money and haven't got the cameras for me, so they're taking the piss. I'm gonna go John Lewis, see if I can get it from there. But if not, then I'm gonna have to order it online and wait for that to come, which is gonna piss me off, because I want it today. I'm out here making moves. You're sat at home doing niche.
Because while you were sitting around, waiting, doing niche, I was out making moves.
First stop is done. Hold that a second, please.
You just said.
So, we've got the DJI Mini 2, which is 4K, it does stream in 4K. The shots from it are insane, so this is going to improve the visuals tremendously. I'm actually going to get a bag for this. I'm not sure whether I should get another battery pack, because I'm not sure what the battery life's like, but obviously I'm going to test it out first, see how I get on, because I've never driven one of these before, so hopefully I don't crash it. Loads of people tell me they're easy to control, but I am Henry, remember that, and I am clumsy, so this little fiddly thing here isn't my forte, but we're gonna get better at it. When I say I'm gonna drive it, I mean I'm gonna control it. So for anybody out there, fly it, yeah, fly it. That's what I mean I'm gonna do. And then I've got a new backpack as well for my camera equipment. Look at that, nice, isn't it? Which is really boring, so I'm not gonna bore you with that. Yeah, now we're into John Lewis to try and get a new camera and see how we end up. I doubt, I am 99% sure they're not gonna have it in store, so you're gonna see this face when I come out. We got the camera. They have one left in stock, so I have upgraded to, I've got the A7 Mark III which is gonna upgrade the channel. Honestly, you guys are gonna be thinking you're watching a Hollywood movie now. And then whilst you're in there, it takes 2 SD cards. We've got 2 SD cards. I've got a new holder stick, which is slightly bigger, which is just gonna be more functional and you can hold it a lot better. And then I also copped some Bose headphones for the gym because went on a spending spree, you know, you might as well continue. So I'm gonna go home now and get this video out to you guys and mess around with my drone, my new camera, play with all my new toys. It's like Christmas morning for me right now, so I'll speak to you guys in a bit. So that wraps up today's video, and I'm gonna leave you with one thing to think about. For me, making mistakes in life is the single greatest thing you can do, because from mistakes comes learning and you better yourself. So don't be scared of making mistakes, don't be scared of letting people down, and definitely don't be scared of putting yourself out your comfort zone, because outside your comfort zone is where winners created, and I am trying to be a winner myself. So join me on the journey, make mistakes, piss people off, do what you want, and have fun in the process. See me in Dmaxx. We'll catch up next week with some more footage, and I'm hopefully going to get the drone in the sky and get some naughty footage. So until next time, people, it's your boy Henry Arnold.